Hi beauties! Welcome back to Hikoco's channel.
Hi, Coco.
Are you a beginner to kbeauty? Or are you looking for a whole routine for your skincare concern? Or you want to get a personal skincare consultations but you're not able to visit our store? If so, we are here to help you. In Hikoco, we try our best to offer you as much as diverse experience as possible with the product available in Hikoco. As part of this effort, we build our routine curations for you skincare beginners when you have no idea where to start. Our new Coco box has 4 different products with single sheet mask, with each box targeting a specific skin concern. For those beauties who have acne-prone skin, stop my pimples. If you have especially oily skin and your over 7 production is leading you to have blackheads and whiteheads, stop my blackheads. Those who are concerned about dullness, hyperpigmentations and blemishes, stop my dullness. If you are suffering from inflamed skin that gets sensitized, thus worried about red flushes, stop my redness. Finally, if you would like to slow down the maturing process of your skin, stop my aging. In today's video, I will quickly introduce you the 5 different Coco boxes that we have that are available for purchase at both on and offline stores. Let's get into it. Ta-da! Start my pimple box. Most of our beauties with the acne-prone skins who visit our store for help and looking for the right cure for it, then why don't you start your skincare routine with this Coco box, Start My Pimple? Maybe start with charging your routine to these products below. Hamish All Clean Green Foam pH 5.5, a mild low pH gel type cleanser that balances out the skin's pH level to avoid irritation while keeping the hydration to strengthen the skin barriers. Dr. G Red Blemish Clear Soothing Toner, a toner to soothe the skin with the 5-Cica complex and gently exfoliate sebum that's blocking the pores to prevent acne with AHA and BHA. You can use this on a cotton pad or just with your hands. CosRx AC Collection Blemish Spot Clearing Serum, a widely known light serum that's effective for acne skin. Not only the medicacic acid heals the troubled skin, but niacinamide fades the pigmentation from acne scars and recovers the skin to its healthy state. Bella Monster Stress Out Solution Cream Carrot Cica. The antifungal properties of carrot seed oil aids to soothe the inflamed and damaged skin. As a rich cream, little goes a long way with this one. CosRx Acne Pimple Master Patch. You all know about this best-selling pimple patch. Stick one on your pimple to help the serum to be extracted faster and quickly smoothen the bump by keeping the scar safe. On to the next box, Stop My Blackheads. We are all sick and tired of black dots covering my nose and cheeks and foreheads, so here is a box for you. The Stop My Blackhead box has Klairs Gentle Black Deep Cleansing Oil, a steady-selling cleansing oil from Klairs that is effective in pulling sebum and blackheads out during your cleansing. Roll an appropriate amount on dry face for 1 to 2 minutes to dissolve down your blackheads, makeup and sunscreen. Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. On days when you feel like you have even more black or whiteheads, try this best-selling clay mask from Innisfree for blackhead removal, deep cleansing, and to control your sebum levels. Use 1 to 2 times a week to not over-exfoliate your skin. Mamonde Pore Clean Toner. The best toner for oily skin that wants a softening finish in skincare. Shake and soak a cotton pad to wipe the face with Korea's West Coast mud to absorb extra impurities and Osongcho tincture to tighten your cleaned pores. CosRx 2-in-1 Poreless Power Liquid. After exfoliation, you need a cooling product to further tighten the pores. 0.1% of BHA gently exfoliates whatever is left behind in your pores, and tannin works to drop the skin temperature and tighten up the pores. Remember to follow up with the moisturizer of your choice. Mediheal NMF Aquaring Ampule Sheet Mask. Even though all products in this routine are very gentle exfoliating products for most days' use, if you want to moisturize properly in order to keep the emptied pores and skin safe. On a day when you want more moisture, apply this moisturizing mask after the toner. Next box is Stop My Dullness. A lot of our beauties ask for this curation, as brightening and fading pigmentation is one of the main skin concerns that we all have. Stop My Dullness box includes Sun by Me Galatomyces Pure Vitamin C Glow Toner, 88% of galatomyces and 10,000 ppm of pure vitamin C. If you're looking for an instant brightening care, start off your skincare with this toner from Sun by Me. Claire's freshly juiced vitamin drop. You all know Hikoco's all-time best-selling vitamin C products. 5% of pure vitamin C acts to fade away blemishes and gives vitality to your skin. If you are a vitamin C beginner, this is your starter product. Irish Trend Vitamin 75 Maximizing Cream. This vitamin E cream will boost the effectiveness of the vitamin C products you've used earlier in the routine. A light moisturizer that absorbs quickly, best fit for dry to combination skin. Innisfree Brightening Pore Sleeping Mask. This is a brightening plus moisturizing plus and firming mask in one. Apply this overnight mask as the last step of your skincare routine and wash it off the next day morning to see a clearer and plump complexion. Mediheal Vita Light Beam Essential Sheet Mask. After your toner, you can use this sheet mask as a replacement for the Claire's vitamin drop. Make sure not to leave on for too long. Just leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Next box is Stop My Redness Coco box. This whole set is my favorite. If you have sensitive skin, redness, inflammation is the #1 thing to fix before anything else. Inflammation can lead your skin to acne and flushing. Here is the perfect skin for you who are sitting in this category. Redness. Brown Lab Birch Juice Moisturizing Cleanser. Brown Lab is famous for mild ingredients they use especially for those with sensitive skin. This gel-type low pH cleanser keeps the skin in its natural pH state and keeps it properly moisturized. I am from Mugwort Essence. This is one of our best-selling products, picked as the best product from so many of our staff. Mugwort, the star ingredients when it comes to calming skin and putting an end to bumpy skin. Apply directly or use cotton pad to soak and leave on desired area for 5 to 10 minutes for extra care. COSRX Hydrium Centella Aqua Soothing Ampoule. We all know that centella is what we need when it comes to soothing. This easily absorbed ampoule is great for daily use for extra moisture and soothing of irritated skin. Benton Aloe Hyaluron Cream. Finish off with the Aloe Hyaluron Cream, which delivers intense hydration with a 7 hyaluronic acid complexion and cools off the redness with aloe vera extract. Mediheal Tea Tree Care Solution Essential Sheet Mask. When you see one of 2 pimples due to continued inflammation, use this tea tree sheet mask to calm those troubles and heal them as soon as possible. And here is the last box. Stop My Aging. This time for the more mature beauties. Even for those who are still in 20s, remember that anti-aging care can never start too early. This box includes Missha Time Revolution The First Treatment Essence RX. 95% of Cica yeast ferment in this essence will take care of the hydration levels of your skin from deep inside, which is the fermental issue to solve when it comes to anti-aging. The Time Revolution line of Missha is known as one of the most effective anti-aging care lines in K-beauties. Unique Black Snail Restore Serum. Snail mucin is no doubt the key ingredient for anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, and skin recovery. 70% of black snail secretion filtrate will make your skin supple, plump, and nourished. 평강력 Intensive Repair Cream. This is another intensive hydration care product that will fill up your skin with moisture. Complete your routine with the beautiful satin finish. Benton Snail Bee Ultimate Hydrogel Eye Patch. One day, when you feel like treating yourself, give these eye patches a go to prevent the fine lines. Extra nourishment around the eyes never hurt. Mediheal Placenta Revital Essential Sheet Mask. Finally, a sheet mask for your bonus self-care days for a brighter and more vitalized skin. All these boxes offers a discount price compared when you get them separately. To purchase this box, visit our Hikoco's online store www.hikoco.co.nz or the offline stores at Newmarket and Auckland CBD. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you've got any further questions on this box or the products inside, please leave the comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, bye beauties, let's be pretty!